Hello everyone, my name is Manu Purohit. Hope you all are safe and doing good. I'm here to share with you all some information related to the work which we are doing for helping people who are in need of food during this COVID-19 lockdown phase.
We basically supply food to two different group of people. One for those who are homeless, we provide them cooked meals, and one for those who are daily wage earners, we provide them grocery at no cost obligation. The reasons why we do this. One, the homeless people were dependent some or the other way with our Sun Temple because we used to provide them daily breakfast even before the lockdown. And second reason of supplying the grocery items started when we were supplying the cooked meals. We used to receive many calls from people who had not eaten since many days due to lockdown and due to lack of money. So we started supplying grocery kits which can help them for at least 1 month, covering 4 members of family. Our team have seen numb eyes when they reach out to them and hand over the materials they need. We also receive calls from them by saying nothing but just crying. The entire supply of food was made possible with help of 3 teams. Firstly, Mumbai Police, we are really very thankful to them because they have helped us since day one. They have also helped us with passes so that our supply team members can travel and reach out to as many locations in Mumbai. Another team consists of friends and devotees of Sun Temple who are helping us financially. Every day our bank balance goes down to zero and next day we receive donations. Third team consists of friends and other devotees who are looking after the supply part of the cooked meals as well as grocery items. They are important because they are risking their life to reach out to as many people who are in need of food. Lastly, the most important person, my father, Mr. Parimal Purohit, who is totally looking after this. From water glasses to packaging material, from food oil to rice, he is coordinating with each and every suppliers. He is also creating networks in places as possible, even we are reaching to the families residing in Palghar area.
I would like to say that we are not the only team which is working right now on this. There are many other organizations who are working on this at much wider level. We are just drop in the ocean.